Success. Posts are in the ground. We're getting there. Looks good. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Got my brackets, exterior screws. There's plenty of sunshine out here. Let's put them down. Okay, so I went ahead and figured out where the brackets need to be. There's a line right there. Oh yeah, we're gonna get this done. We're gonna do this. Trust me, it's going to be great. Got plenty of brackets, don't I? You know I wouldn't be caught dead out here without my Stanley level, without the rigid. You have to wear gloves too, don't forget. You don't want any splinters getting into your hand. Man, it's going to be a great day. Trust me. So the first bracket here will be about 11 plus inches from the ground. Oh yeah. Notice I filled the holes. Wasn't a big deal. Middle bracket is about 36 inches and some change from the ground. What's this? I got a bad one here. Maybe too much water on it, I don't know. The top bracket, about 63 inches from the ground. All right. So what am I doing? This is how I'm figuring out my lines. I'm using a 2x4. So I already established the first three brackets. So now I use 2x4s and a level the rest of the way to figure out where each one goes. I know it's a lot of work, but the brackets help you in the long run. Think about it. If you make the cut too short, you have to use a shim. And you don't want to do that. Now, if it's too long, well, you can still work around that. The bracket helps either way. You don't have to force the wood in between the posts. It's not going to look good. And for the moment we've all been waiting for, the Cobalt. Got it from Lowe's. Yeah, I'm showing it off. I feel like a proud dad. Moment of truth, guys. Let's see if it's worth the money. It went through that 2x4 like a knife going through butter. Oh yeah, it's worth the money. I'm in love already. Oh yeah. Meanwhile, all the brackets have been added to the post. This will make my life and job a lot easier. Okay, let's look at the other end. Okay, guys, I'm going to cheat on this end. I'll add brackets, but there won't be a post here. It'll be okay. It'll work. I didn't think the space was wide enough for two posts. I thought it'd be a waste of time. That's why. Anyway, let's keep going. After so much cutting and trimming and all that, man, I'm getting it done. This looks nice. Why don't I just act like I'm on a farm and leave it as is? What do you think? So yeah, it happened. And it happened according to plan. It wasn't easy, but I got it up. I like the results. Well, so far, so good. We still got a little ways to go, but I like what I see. I couldn't have asked for more. So now it's time to add the screws to the brackets. How about from a different angle? You know why this worked? Because I used the 2x4s and a level to ensure that the brackets were in line. Okay? So that's why I got the results that I did. Looks nice. Now I'm just adding the screws to the brackets. Since I'm over there, I might as well get it done. It's been a long day. I'm tired. Now the brackets are officially and properly secured to the post, and the 2x4s are secured to the brackets. We're doing a great job. Let's keep going. Last but not least, the part that gives you the privacy that you're looking for. The dog ears or fence pickets, whatever you want to call them. I'll measure each one. We've done a lot so far. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.